Hi everyone, welcome to NestJS series. Today we'll set up our project. Here is class diagram we will use. The core entities are role, permission, user, and task. User, it's the person who uses our application. Task, it's the main item a user manages. It has properties such as name, description, status. Also we have role and permission. Why? Because a user needs a role, and a role needs a permission. A user who has a role editor can only update the task. The user who has role as admin can only create and delete a task, for example. And another user who has roles as super admin can only update or delete any task. So that's why we need a role and implement its permission. We'll talk more about role and permission in next turn. Let's dive in how to set up our first project in NestJS. First of all, we need to check our current Node.js version. So open your terminal and type node-v. Check also your npm package manager version. Good. You can also use yarn or pnpm. Now, go to NestJS documentation. Great. To start, we need to install NestJS CLI. So, open your terminal and tap npm install globally NestJS CLI and hit enter. Now, open where you want to store your source codes. Now, the command to create a new project is nest new, and the project name tuto task and hit enter. Which package manager you want to use? In my case, it is npm. It will take some time to create the project. After the installation is finished, go to the project folder, cd tuto task app. Tap codes dots. It will open the project with your code editor. Okay. Now let's do a quick tour of this structure because understanding this is crucial for the following parts. We have node module folder. We don't touch it. Then we have src folder. This is where we will spend all of our time. It contains all our source code. We have main.ts file. It is the entry point of our application. This is where Nest creates and starts our app. Then we have app.module. It is the root module. Think of module as container for different parts of our application. Next file is app.controller.ts. Controller handles HTTP requests and response. And finally, we have app.service.ts. Service contains our business logic. Now we can start our application. In the terminal, run npm run start dev and launch it. Okay, now go to your browser and open localhost 3000. Great! Hello world. It means that our project is successfully set up. And that is in just a few minutes, we have gone from zero to having a fully functional NestJS application running locally. So in our next video, we'll dive into controllers and DTO, and we will build our first proper API endpoint for managing tasks.